Everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well. For today, we are starting our new unit. Yay! We are now in Unit 7. We have 2 more units, this one and one more, to be fully done with this school year. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so this unit, to start off, we are going to start out with some word problems. I know your favorite, right? So, all right, so what is our big idea? Our big idea is multiplying bigger numbers. Learning target: I can solve two-step story problems that involve multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, let's try it together. Our first word problem. Satan bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. The stickers cost 9 cents each. How much did Satan pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Before we solve, Satan bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. The stickers cost 9 cents each. How much did Satan pay for the entire sheet of stickers? So before we solve the problem, we need to ask ourselves, what is this problem really asking us to find? Okay, do I need to find how many stickers, or do I need to find the cost or how much he's paying? Okay, so what is the problem asking you to figure out? Is it A, how many stickers Satan bought? B, what kind of stickers bought? Or C, how much did Satan pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Yep, if you said C, you are right. So how do we know this? So if we go back to that word problem, typically your question is that last sentence in that word problem, right? And then it's just the question, so you need to find what it's asking you to solve. So for example here, how much does Satan pay for the entire sheet of stickers? So not for one sticker, but for the entire sheet. Okay, so we need to find out how much did he pay for the entire thing. Now let's write in an equation. So here I have our problem again. So Satan bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. The stickers cost 9 cents each. How much did Satan pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Now I also have here, what do we need to figure out? How much did Satan pay for the entire sheet of stickers? So if I take this problem apart, I can do the GC therefore. Remember what's given, information that's given, and then C for your computation, your math, and then therefore the answer is what? Okay, so what's given to us is that this sheet of stickers has 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. Okay, so we have 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. So that to me sounds like multiplication. And then here it says that the stickers cost 9 cents each. So I need to find the total number of stickers and then times it with the 9 cents that each of them cost. So then your equation would look something like this: 2 times 3 times 9. So when you don't have a math equation here, or math symbol like multiplication, addition, or subtraction, excuse me, this also means multiplication. So 2 times 3 times 9. Okay, but when the things are in parentheses, your numbers, that means we have to do these first before we times it times 9. Okay, so time to solve. Here is an image for you guys to kind of have more of a clear view of what that looks like. So we have 2 rows, 1, 2, with 3 stickers on each row. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then each of these stickers cost 9 cents. So now, first we solve 2 times 3. 2 times 3 would equal 6. And 6 is the total number of stickers that we have. So we look back, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but remember multiplication it's just a faster way to add. So it makes it faster to get our answer. So first we solve 2 times 3, which is 6. Then we do 6 times 9. So 6 times the 9 cents that each of these stickers cost. That would give me 54. Okay, most of us know what 6 times 9 is, but if we don't know, we can skip count, and we can use this image to skip count. We could go 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and then 54. Okay? So therefore the answer is 54 cents. That means Satan spent 54 cents on this sheet of stickers. Nice. Now what to do? So now you go to Google Classroom. You will solve a story just like this. First, you'll figure out what is what it is asking you to figure out. Then you will pick an equation that matches it. Finally, you will solve it. For those who have our workbook at home, the workbook page that we are doing today is page 224. I did do the first problem with you guys. So if you're doing it at home, you can just write the answers that I put for the first problem and then do the second problem. You can upload a picture from your work. Just make sure that when you take a picture, it's either on a desk or a table, and not up in the air, because sometimes I can't see it. Okay, so make sure it's nice and focused, so it's not blurry, so that I can see your answers. Okay, so now we have to go to Google Classroom. Whoops. All right, so when we're here, we're going to click Miss Flores' homeroom, and we're going to look for our to-do list. Okay, to-do list for April 14th. You are going to watch the video, and then I also included your announcements. Just like you would hear it at school, you have Miss Noni's announcements. This one has 2 parts, so part 1, part 2. You guys will always have an attendance question, so make sure you answer your attendance question. And actually, oh, I'm sorry, this is not right. So, and you have to complete your work, which today's work is called student book. Oops, student book page 224. Whoops. Okay, so you have to do your attendance question and your student book page 224. And this can be gone. I'm sorry. All right, and then CERN. You also have to complete a lesson on CERN. Remember that if you don't get one lesson completed a day, the next time you log in, it's going to restart you. So make sure you at least get one lesson a day done, which should take you about 20 minutes, okay? I also put the link here for our timer, so in case you want to use that timer, you can click on the timer and it will show on another tab on your screen. I also put the link for relaxing music, so in case you want to listen to that music in the background, you can. And your comment here, make sure to check your literacy Google Classroom. Also make sure if you are in Miss Morgan's group that you check her classroom as well. Okay, so now we watched the video, we watched the announcements. Now I need to go answer my attendance and my work page. Okay, so you'll click classwork. Now, actually, mine looks a little different because I have all of you here, but yours will now have a new tab. It's called My Login Information. I put your login sheet on there, so you'll see, like for me, I can see all of you, but you will only see yourself. And if you click on your name, right, and then it's going to say, for example, Cindy's, click the document for all your username and passwords, and then you'll click this picture here, and then it should pop up with all your information, okay? And I've included Amplify for those who are using it, and then Prodigy, we will start using it soon. So I did want you to have all your login information. Now, you should scroll down and you should see a tab for attendance. Today's attendance question is 10 times 5 equals what? So in the answer you submit, you need to give me the answer to 10 times 5. And remember, you have a box here, and all you have to do is type in your answer and click submit. So I wrote submit your answer. Do not write your answer in the comments. I have people still writing their answers in the comments. Please don't do that, because I can't give you your point if you do that, okay? Also, I wrote, can you join me today for Google Meet video at 1 p.m.? Okay. I erase this today. But so today we are going to have a Google Meet at 1 p.m. So please come back around 1 so you can click on the link and join us for our Google Meet. I'm excited to see all of you guys again. So once you do your attendance question, you can go back to this page and then now go to your assignment. So now you'll have Math Student Book page 224. You have instructions in English and Spanish. So if you need the Spanish, they are on the bottom. So your instructions say, find the document with your name and start typing directly on the document. When done, click submit. And then I also wrote, I have included the PowerPoint in case you want to go back and see how we solved a similar problem. So heads up, there is a Spanish student book page here, but only if you need it, type on this one. I mostly did it for Scarlett. So please, for the rest of us, use the English version. So you'll click the student book page. Here I did the first section for you. So our first math problem says, Flora is helping Mr. Jackson get ready for family math night. 8 families are coming. Flora needs to count out 4 square pattern blocks and 3 triangle pattern blocks for each family. How many pattern blocks will she count out in all? So I highlighted the important sections of this word problem. For my first question, it says, what is the problem asking you to figure out? So I just rewrote that question that the problem gave me, okay? And then here it says, choose the equation that best represents this problem. And for me, I just highlighted the right equation, which would be multiply 4 times 3, then you multiply times 8 because there's 8 families, okay, up here, equals P. The P, remember, is just a letter that represents a number, and the P stands for pattern. And then solve the problem. It says show your work, so I showed my work. So I wrote my equation 4 plus 3 in parentheses times 8 equals P. So then 4 plus 3 would be 7. Then I multiply the 7 times the 8. So 7 times 8 equals 56. And so that would be 56 pattern blocks. Remember to label your units. You can't just say 56. Okay, you need to tell me 56 what? And then you have a second problem, and this is the one you need to do. So Jared is also helping Mr. Jackson get ready for family math night. Jared needs to count out 5 red game markers and 5 blue game markers for each of the 8 families. How many game markers will he count out in all? So you need to write an equation and then use a letter to stand for the unknown number, and you have to solve the problem and show your work. Once you're done with this, make sure you click submit or turn in. Okay, so those are your 2 items under classwork that you need to complete, but you also need to go to CERN. So I need, sorry, not I need, but I am actually going to do some shout outs for those who have done lessons for Monday. Remember, we are still having the CERN raffle this Friday, so you need to have 4 CERN lessons completed by the end of the week. Isabel, good job. Austin, Geraldine, Cindy, and Lexi, you guys all have a lesson completed. Good job. All right, you guys will have fun today, and I'll talk to you guys next time.